Welcome to this explainer. Today we're looking at London, where ancient history totally crashes into modern life.
You might think you know London, but let's uncover some wild secrets hidden right in plain sight.
It all kicks off with the River Thames. This waterway has literally driven the city's commerce for millennia. You can literally see time etched into the skyline, from dark 16th century prisons to total modern marvels.
Take the Tower of London. It holds the glittering crown jewels, but it was also a bloody prison.
And here's a fun fact. Big Ben, it isn't the clock itself, it's actually the massive bell inside.
So, how do millions of people actually navigate this crazy historic maze every single day?
Well, enter the Tube. Opening way back in 1863, it's actually the world's oldest underground railway.
Up above, those iconic red double-decker buses are still totally crucial for keeping the city moving.
But hey, London isn't just about moving around. It's an absolute global mecca for art and culture.
We're talking over 170 museums, from the British Museum's ancient relics to the Tate Modern's cutting-edge vibe. And that diversity? It's huge. There are over 300 different languages spoken right out on the streets.
Creativity just thrives here, you know? From flashy West End theaters all the way to funky East London galleries. It's no shock this place birthed legends like Shakespeare, Dickens, and yeah, even the Beatles.
Now you might be surprised, but amidst all this concrete, London hides some massive green escapes.
There are literally over 3,000 parks and open spaces, giving the bustling city some much-needed breathing room.
Locals love trading the urban rush for the sprawling lawns of Hyde Park or charming Hampstead Heath.
So blending ancient history with vibrant modern culture, how will London shape the future of all global cities?